Well, hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to saute some broccoli, onions, and tomatoes. Broccoli, onion, tomatoes, and zucchini. Okay, those are the four things that I'm going to show you how to saute. Alright, so I have some grapeseed oil already heating up in the frying pan, and we're going to get started now. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add is our onions. This is 2 medium onions cut up. And then we're going to add our zucchini. This is 3 zucchinis cut up. And I'm going to let that cook for maybe 5 minutes or so. And then we're going to add the broccoli and the tomatoes, okay? In addition to the oil that I already added, I'm going to add a drop of water. So let me get that. This is 1/4, it's right here, 1/4 cup of water. Get a little steam going. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so our onions and zucchini have been cooking for about 5 minutes. So now we want to add the rest of our items. We're going to add the broccoli and some tomatoes. These are the small tomatoes that I cut in half, okay? The same tomatoes that you use if you're going to make a salad. Now we're going to add some more grapeseed oil. And remember how we added that 1/4 cup of water before? Okay, that water have evaporated, so now we're going to add another 1/4. Hear that? I didn't even add 1/4. I just added half of the 1/4 just to give it a little steam. Alright, now I'm going to put some seasonings on there. So I'm putting on Grandma Ray's seasoning that I made up. This is my own special seasoning that I'm still working on, so I can't tell you what's in it yet. So you put your seasoning on it, okay? Alright, so now that we got to this point, we're going to mix it up. Oh, the tomatoes make the green just pop. Nice color blend now. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. Get that broccoli and tomatoes a little soft. And I have one more thing that I want to add. I have, it equals to 1 pepper, but it's red peppers, green peppers, and yellow mixed, okay? That I already had in the food processor, and now we're going to add this to the mix. So if you don't have all the different colors, just add a pepper cut up fine to the mix, okay? Alright, I'm going to stir that in. So now you're going to have some more colors that's popping through. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, I'll let that cook for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and we'll be right back then, okay? Okay, while we're waiting on the last minute, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is rent. Rent is very, very important. So don't try to skim off your rent, pay your rent, because if you don't, you get into a problem where you're behind and you may or may not be able to catch that up, and then the notices will come and then it's a problem, right? So treat rent first and then all other bills after that, okay? Because if you have a place to stay, then you can make it, okay? You have a place to rest. You have a place to think, okay? Rent. Pay your rent on time. All right, this is Grandma Ray. That's the word of the day. All right, let's check on our stir-fried vegetables, shall we? Oh, I would say we're done. It's a nice bright green color. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, let me just let you see this. Okay, let me show you this. Oops. How about that, huh? You like that? Nice, right? Okay. Okay, let me get a fork and take a taste. Oh, I can't wait. And let me get my picture too. Why not? Okay, here's my picture. Nice. All right, and I want to give it a taste. Tastes good. I don't even need no more seasoning. Wow. Okay, I think you're gonna like this. So, you know, you can do any type of vegetables, right? It doesn't have to be the zucchini, broccoli, onions, tomatoes. Maybe you have some other vegetables that you would like to saute. So figure out what you want to saute. Put them all together. Make sure you get some different colors in there. And enjoy that, okay? Because it's the summertime now, so you're going to be growing vegetables hopefully in your garden, and you can now you just learned another quick way of how to cook the vegetables, right? Okay, until next time, hit the like button if you like it. Share the video with someone so that they know how to cook their vegetables. And that was what, less than 6 minutes? That's a pretty good deal. Okay, all right, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.